God.
They got brand new blocks for $645 because we just became a block dealer. Yeah. Good. PCPs, we do, but they're on eBay. We only have a few of them, and they're like $600-700. Yeah, you can get them a lot cheaper, but we don't have any of those right now. They just you're better off with a pneumatic one, the one that you break in half. You put one pellet in and you fire it. Yeah, you're just not going to get the compressed air that the PCP has.
That's a much better idea.
And they're filling it with a dive tank.
Very cool. Think about that some later.
Yeah, watch on YouTube the Iguana Solutions.